Good morning, guys. My name is James from Varsity Unlimited Tutors. I just wanted us to talk a little about the lessons for this semester. So please take note, we don't have any weekly lessons that we are going to be doing during the semester. So there are no weekly lessons that we are going to do this semester. However, during the month of September, October, and November, we will be sending you recordings. So these recordings will help you in terms of preparing for the exam. And then towards the exam date, i.e., I think the last week of October, somewhere there, we will do some revision classes with you where we go through some past exam papers and help you to prepare for your exam. So we don't have weekly lessons, but we will send through recordings. We will also help you with revision classes at the end of the semester. Then we are going to be doing our case studies, the assignments. Just like we did last semester, we are going to meet on a particular date and do the assignments. So take note of the dates here. For example, stakeholder management, 16 August, project communication, 18 August. Take note of those dates because we are going to be doing the assignment class on that specific date. Then in September, on the 10th of September, it will be a Tuesday, we will do all of the KCQs together in a class setup. The total cost is going to be 700 per module, which is 2.8. For those of you that are interested, you can pay this in installments during the semester. I believe that is all from me. Thank you.